solve the problems, 2 1/3 plus 3, 5, or 6. You have to bring down the denominators. And then multiply and add. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 5 is 23. Then you multiply the denominators. You get 18, and then you cross multiply. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 23 times 3 is 69. Then you add. You get 111 over 18. Then you can reduce that to 37 over 6. And then you can reduce it even further. So 6 goes into 37 6 times. And then you have 1 left over. And then you bring over the denominator and you get 6. And this is your final answer. To solve the problem, 2 1/3 plus 3 5 over 6. You have to multiply and add. And you bring down the denominators. So 3 times 2 plus 1 is 7. 6 times 3 plus 5 is 23. You have to find the common denominators, which is 6. And then to get 6, you had to multiply it by 2. So you take 2 times 7, which is 14, and you bring over 23. And you get 37 over 6, which reduces to 6 over 1/6. We're going to start off with 2 1/3 plus 3 5 over 6. Okay, you have to bring down the denominators in both. And then you multiply these two numbers and add the numerator. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 6 times 3 plus 5 is 23. Then you multiply the denominators and you get 18. Then you cross multiply. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 3 times 23 is 69, and you get 111, and you keep the same denominator over 18. 3 goes into 18 6 times and goes into 111 37 times. And then you can reduce that even more. So 6 goes into 37 6 times with 1 left over, and you bring over your denominator, and this is your final answer.